How to buy MetaSwap on pancakeSwap or PokerSyn app? Let's find out. How to use pancakeSwap with metamask wallet. Setting up metamask. Metamask is a browser extension that allows you to access decentralized applications or dApps directly from your browser. Install MetaMask as a browser extension by going to https://metamask.io/download. After installation, establish a new account or import private keys from an existing one using MetaMask. Now we need to set up MetaMask for Binance Smart Chain. Open the chain selection drop-down and choose Custom RPC. Binance Smart Chain MetaMask networks using the following values: Binance Smart Chain ID 56, Block Explorer, https://bscscan.com. After submission, MetaMask should switch to the BSC network. Verify that Binance Smart Chain is selected and the currency logo and symbol are BNB. Now to pancakeSwap. pancakeSwap is a decentralized application dApp. The connect button is on the top right corner. Click. A window requesting you to connect a wallet will appear. Click MetaMask top option. Then a pop-up will appear requesting you to connect an account. Follow the steps until you see your account in the top right. To start trading coins, make sure your MetaMask wallet has funds and click Trade in the top left corner. In the next window, select a token to swap. In the Select a Currency option, you can select the token you want to buy. If your desired coin isn't mentioned, simply paste the contract address into the search bar. Now that you've discovered your token, it's time to swap. The Settings button in the top right allows you to change your swap transaction. Set the slippage tolerance to 19%. After you exchange and confirm your transaction, MetaMask will show the window below. Verify and validate your swap transaction. You have now swapped coins. For those who don't have a new token balance in their MetaMask wallet, you can import them by pasting their contract address. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful.